Amazon's latest purchase hints at a bigger commitment to smart homes. What's important to know? Amazon is buying iRobot in a deal that involves only cash and is worth about $1.7 billion. iRobot is the company that makes the popular Roomba robot vacuum. Colin Angle will keep his job as CEO of iRobot after the deal is done. Amazon announced today that it will buy robot vacuum maker iRobot in an all-cash deal worth about $1.7 billion. This shows that the online retail giant wants to make a big splash in the market for home robots. The CEO of iRobot, Colin Angle, will stay in charge of the company after the deal is done, but neither company has said when they think that will be. It depends a lot on whether the government gives the go signal and whether iRobot's shareholders say yes. In a press release, Amazon said that it will buy iRobot for $61 per share. This will cover iRobot's net debt. Dave Limp, Amazon's senior vice president of devices, said, "We know that saving time is important, and doing chores takes time that could be better spent doing something customers love." Over many years, the iRobot team has shown that it can change the way people clean by making products that are both useful and creative. For example, customers can clean when and where they want, while avoiding common obstacles in the home, and the collection bin can be emptied on its own. In 1990, a group of MIT researchers started iRobot with the main goal of making robots for the military. Since the first Roomba came out in 2002, the company has become known for making robots for the home. At the moment, many of the best robot vacuums are made by iRobot. Amazon, on the other hand, isn't exactly a newcomer to the market for home robots. Last year, it came out with Astro, a $1,000 robot that can intelligently map your home with the help of onboard processing and SLAM, simultaneous location and mapping algorithms. Astro, on the other hand, had too many things to do, so it couldn't focus as well as Roomba. Amazon has also been working with iRobot for a long time because Roomba works with Alexa. This relationship is taken to the next level by the acquisition. Even so, iRobot has had its share of problems over the past year. Comparing the first quarter of 2022 to the same time last year, the company made a loss around the world. No matter what, its sales in the US grew by 33% in the first quarter of 2022. Angle had said before that iRobot had hoped to make money again and do better than it had in the past. With Amazon's help, iRobot will be able to make that dream come true, assuming the acquisition goes through.